What is special about your dog? What makes him different from the other dogs?
Makulit. Malambe. Sabi mo. Sabi mo.
Sabihin ko talaga?
Oo, kasi naka-record eh. Sabi mo makulit, malambing, gano'n.
Friendly.
Ayan.
How do you know if your dog is happy?
Oh. Paano mo malalaman na masaya yung aso mo?
Tulad namin dalawa, Bandy.
Ayan.
When was the last time you looked at your pet and told yourself, I love my dog?
Kailan mo siya nakasama?
Dito? 2 years?
Do you feel that your dog loves you? Please give an example.
Paano mo masasabi na mahal ka ng aso mo? Magbigay ka ng example.
Mahal ako na aso ko?
Kahit ano.
Kahit ano? Pwede Tagalog?
Oo! Makulit, maharot, bunny.
Ano siya? Very... understanding.